We continue to follow breaking news. Dr. Ian Roberts is now facing a federal charge in the Southern District of Iowa. The former Des Moines school superintendent is charged with possessing a firearm as an illegal alien. In addition, court documents reveal he has not been authorized to work since late 2020. This development comes just days after the school board accepted his resignation.
Last Friday, Roberts was arrested by ICE agents. He was held in ICE detention in the Woodbury County Jail and was released today, but he remains in federal custody. KCCI has been following these developments very closely. We have live team coverage. We'll start this evening with Kayla James, who joins us now in studio. And Kayla, we're learning more about the ATF investigation into Roberts.
That's correct. We now know from court documents that a federal search warrant was executed at Dr. Roberts' home the same day he was detained. Investigators claiming they found 3 firearms in his home, saying that there is probable cause to indicate that Roberts owned those firearms as someone who was in the country illegally, which violates federal law. KCCI was there as investigators went in and out of his home last Friday night. They would not tell our crew what was going on at the time. The criminal complaint shows, in addition to multiple firearm magazines and ammunition, the three firearms were found at the home in various places, one underneath a seat cushion and the other 2 in separate cases. This is in addition to the firearm ICE agent shared was found in the vehicle he is said to have been driving before he was detained. Court records show 2 firearm declaration tags show the firearms belong to an Ian Roberts, one lists an address in Pennsylvania with a 2022 date and the other in Des Moines with a 2024 date. The one in the vehicle, court records show, was purchased by someone who is believed to be Roberts' spouse in 2019. Now, we did reach out to his attorneys when we learned this information to see if they would speak. They said a couple statements would be made tonight at a town hall they are set to speak at.